Hey, it's Ron on the grill. Today's cook is tossed Vortex wings on the Weber kettle. Let's get straight to the business. Let's go. First thing we need to do is get a full charcoal chimney full of coals, hot and ready. Let's start the lighter cube, Weber lighter cube, and you can see this bad boy is full. We going for super hot temperatures right now. So let's put that on top. Take those about 15 minutes to get ready. When they get ready, we'll dump them and we'll go from there. Let's check in on the progress of our charcoal chimney for the Vortex wings cook. We are right at the very moment where the flames are starting to come out of the top of the chimney. When you see that, that means those coals are ready. Don't worry about the fact that they're not ashed over yet. All the coals at the bottom are white hot and ashed over. So when we turn this chimney over and pour those coals into the Vortex, we're gonna be ready to go. Let me lift this out of here right quick. We're gonna put our Vortex right in the center, all vents wide open. Let's pour all of our charcoal right in the center of this thing. All right, so the concept behind this Vortex attachment is that you can see that there's a cone shape, wide at the bottom, and then there's a cone shape. It comes up narrow at the top. What happens is when you put the lid on a kettle grill, that Vortex concentrates a very high temperature stream of heat up towards that lid, and then that once it hits the lid, it disperses and comes down across the lid and back down to the grill grate where all your chicken is. You can expect most of the time to reach temperatures of 500-600 degrees very easily with this thing. So I'm gonna put the lid on, all vents wide open, and I'm gonna get this thing up to temp very quick. By the time I go in there and season these wings, this thing is gonna be piping hot and ready to go. So let's do it. So I just took the wings out of the fridge. We're not gonna do anything special with them. We're just gonna hit them with a 5 salt, 5 pepper blend, because what I wanna do is get these wings nice and crispy on the Vortex and then take them off, and then we're gonna toss them, you know, just like traditional wings. We're going with a simple 5 salt, 5 pepper blend. So let's get these wings ready.
Elevator, 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 elevator.
All right, that's that, y'all. Let's get these out there to the grill and get them on, baby. Now, there's a lot of different approaches that people use. Some people, for example, will come out every 10 minutes and they'll rotate this vent. Sometimes they'll for example, they'll rotate it 90 degrees to here, and then to here, then to here, and then to here. Some people will come out and flip the wing every now and then. I haven't found really, I've tried them all. I haven't found really any of that necessary, guys. The last time I did it was for the Super Bowl. I didn't rotate the grill. I didn't rotate the vents. I didn't do anything. I didn't flip them. I didn't do anything. I came out there, I think they took 30, 40 minutes or something like that. And that is it. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna come out here and check these things in about 30 minutes and see what they're doing. Meantime, I am watching my ribs over there. I'm doing 2 cooks at the same time right now. I'm watching my ribs over there. We got smoke rolling, baby. We on these kettles like a DJ. You know what I'm saying? All right, we back out here to check on the Vortex wings. Look at that. I think that's been about 15 minutes, man. It really just does not play. What we doing here? What we looking like temp-wise? Come on, man. Can y'all see this? wings are done. It's if you're gonna do a kettle, especially a Weber kettle, it's a good one to have if you do wings a lot. It's an amazing little accessory. It's the only accessory I have. I do everything else with grill and a pair of tongs. But that thing right there, man, if you want smoky, crispy wings that are smoky and crispy without flash frying, that's the joint you want right there. All right, so I'm gonna pull them, let them rest. I'm gonna maybe give them 5 minutes. I want them to be crispy. I'm gonna give them another 5 minutes, but they already temping 170 something. These bad boys are ready.
Elevator, elevator.